Listen, if your credit is low, stuck, or just not moving, this is one of the real strategies people use to boost their credit score fast. And I'm not just talking about no fake hacks or TikTok nonsense. I'm talking about the Navy Federal Pledge Loan. And the crazy part, you're basically borrowing money, your own money. You control your loan, and it can help you build your credit the right way. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how it works, how much you need, how to set it up step by step, how people boost their credit scores using it, and the mistakes that will mess this up. Stay to the end because I'm going to show you the strategy that actually works, not the one people guess about online. Now, if you're wondering what is a pledge loan, let's go ahead and get right on into it. So let's break this down real simple. A Navy Federal Pledge Loan is basically a secure loan backed by your money. Here's what that means. Let's say you put in $1,000. Navy Federal gives you $1,000 loan, but they hold your $1,000 as collateral. So technically, you're not risking anything, but you are building payment history with Navy Federal. This works because of how credit scoring models are built. Your credit score is based on payment history, which is 35%, credit utilization, which equals to 30%, your credit mix, so 10%, length of history, and also new credit. Most people only have credit cards, but lenders want to see installment loans like car loans, personal loans. This is where the pledge loans come into play. It adds installment history, on-time payment, positive account activity. Let's be clear, you must be a member of Navy Federal Credit Union first. Eligibility, you need to be a military, active, or retired veterinarian, Department of Defense employee, or family member, or someone who qualified. There is no way around this, no tricks. That is the only way you will be eligible for the pledge loan. Now, there are credit score requirements. Here's the truth. There is no strict credit score requirement. Why? Because it's secured by your own money. So even if your score is 500 or 550, no credit at all, you can still qualify. Minimums are usually around $250 all the way up to $500. But here's what I will recommend. $500 equals a basic credit builder. $1,000 to $2,000 is a stronger impact. $3,000 or even more is a powerful profile. Bigger loan equals a stronger credit profile to a point. All right, well, let's talk step by step on how to actually get this pledge loan. Step 1, become a member. Join Navy Federal Credit Union. Step 2, deposit money. Put money into your savings account. So if you deposit $1,000. Step 3, request pledge loan. Call or apply online. Ask for share secured loan or pledge loan. Step 4, choose term length. This matters a lot. Options usually are 6 months, 12 months, 24 months, 36 plus months. Now here's a strategy tip. Longer term equals better for credit building. Step 5, get funded. They give you the loan amount back. You now have cash plus a loan reporting. The real strategy. This is what people mess up at. Now, this is where people either win or mess everything up. What people do wrong: pay full loan off immediately. Don't use the loan strategy. Missed payment. Now I'm going to share with you all what smart people do. Take loan, example, $1,000. Pay 90% of it immediately. Pay it down to about $100 remaining. Why? Because of installments utilization, this matters a lot. Let the rest sit in auto payment every month. This keeps your account active, payment history building. Let's be realistic. This is not magic. But people see 30 plus points, 50 plus points, sometimes 100 points, depending on their profile. It depends on your starting credit, your credit cards, your overall profile. This can definitely be a great option to help you build your credit. Let's be real. This will not fix collections instantly, remove charge-offs, replace good credit habits. You still need credit cards, low utilization, and on-time payments. Also, There may be a small hard inquiry interest is low but still exists. If you made it this far, you now understand one of the real credit building strategies that actually work. There is absolutely no hype, no fake, just real structure. So if you want more credit hacks, real approval strategies, step-by-step breakdowns, make sure that you like this video, subscribe, and drop pledge in the comments, and I might break down how to start this credit card for max results. Until next time, I will see you all in the next video. Bye!